Children, once again welcome to our physics class. Hope all of you are fine over there. In the previous sessions we had discussed about the derivations of equations of motion. Today we are going to discuss the last but interesting topic of this chapter, that is uniform circular motion. So what do you mean by circular motion? All of you know about circular motion. Yeah, it is the movement of an object along a circle. What do you mean by uniform circular motion? Yeah, when the object moves along a circle with uniform velocity, it will be uniform circular motion. Can I ask you one question? Do you think this uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion? Your answer will be no, right? Because in a uniform circular motion, the object is moving with uniform velocity. If velocity is uniform, there is no any chance for acceleration. There is no change in velocity. So, uniform circular motion is not an accelerated motion. That will be your answer. But I will say it's wrong. Why? Because there is a change in velocity in a uniform circular motion. How? Just listen. See, consider, before that, let me just discuss one general concept related to velocity. I have already discussed in my velocity session. Still, let's go for a quick review. Children, this is the journey of object A. First, the object moved with a velocity of 5 meters per second towards west. So, from here, let this be the initial position of A, and he moved towards west with a velocity of 5 meters per second. And on reaching west, on reaching this point, he moved with a velocity of 5 meters per second towards south. So, again he moved and reached here with the same velocity. On reaching south, he moved with a same velocity towards east. On reaching this point, he moved again with a velocity of 5 meters per second towards north. So this is the journey of that object A. So do you think, is there any acceleration? We may think no, because the object is moving with the same velocity 5 meters per second always. So there is no change in velocity, so there can't be any acceleration. But it's not like that. Even though there is no change in the value or magnitude of velocity, there is change in the direction. Right? Every time the object is changing its direction, west, south, east, north, like that. And what do you mean by velocity? Velocity is speed plus direction. It gives the value of speed, along with that it gives the direction. So if any one of these two changes, if direction change or speed change, any one of this quantity change, velocity will change. So here the magnitude of velocity or the speed remains the same, but the direction is changing. So if direction is changing, there is a change in velocity, because velocity is speed plus direction. So there will be an acceleration. Okay, so he is changing his velocity 4 times. On reaching here, he turns his direction. On reaching this point, he turns his direction. On reaching this point, he changes its direction. So he changes his direction 4 times. So there will be an acceleration. Similarly, if an object is moving through a hexagon like this, at each corner the object has to change its direction. So there will be a change in velocity. Even though it is moving with the same speed, there will be a change in velocity because there is a change in acceleration, and he is changing his direction 6 times. So it is an accelerated motion. Now come back to our circular motion. Okay, in the case of circular motion, what is the problem? If an object is moving along the circumference of a circle, at every point the object needs to change its direction. Okay, at every point the object needs to change its direction. So if there is a change in direction, there will be a change in velocity, even if it is moving with the same speed. So even if the object is moving along the circle with the same speed or with the uniform velocity, there will be a change in the direction of the object at each point on the circle. So uniform circular motion is an accelerated motion. Okay, children. And how will you find out the velocity of an object in a uniform circular motion? Velocity, you know, it is distance by time or a displacement by time, anything. And in the case of a circular motion, what will be the displacement? It will be equal to the circumference of the circle. And what is that? 2 pi r by t. So this is the expression for velocity for a uniform circular motion. Okay. So is there any chance for acceleration in a uniform circular motion? Yes. Why? Because there is a change in direction. Even though the speed is same, direction of the object changes continuously actually. Okay. So that's all about uniform circular motion, my dear children.